the last minute ng wedding. Saksi dyan si Jerol. Nasaan ba si Jerol? At saka si Rodel. Grabe yung...
Wow! Side! Side tama! Side! Okay. Center. Okay. Ah, okay. Ah, sige, go, go, go.
Magkano ba bigayan dito?
Pinagawa lang to sa akin. Sige na.
Okay.
You do everything to preach Jesus. So, I hope na share namin si Jesus sa inyo. And yun po yung bit-bit nyo for this wedding. Because they could have a simple wedding, 5 witnesses. The kasal po ay nire-require lang 3 witness. And then pwede na po talaga silang ikasal. But you guys are all valuable to JP and J. And you guys are all invited here. Because they love you, they want to share Jesus also to all of you. So, maraming salamat for attending. On behalf of the couple, I am Pats Estacio, your host, and signing off. Maraming salamat and enjoy the rest of the evening. God bless everyone!